Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect OpenAI to n8n. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this will help you integrate AI features like GPT for automation in workflows. So first, what you will have to do is, of course, log into your n8n account and create a new workflow. So you have to make sure that you already have a plan in n8n so that you can proceed to the next step. So after that, you will have to add an OpenAI node from the Nodes panel and create credentials using your OpenAI API key. Then you will test the connection to confirm that it works and configure the node to send prompts and receive AI outputs. Then you can connect outputs to other nodes to perform actions automatically. And by the way, if your screen looks different, you can also check under your nodes and then click AI and then open AI and then credentials. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.